Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study law in the UK. First, understand the primary routes available, whether you're starting fresh or already have a degree. We'll cover the typical duration of these programs and what to expect. This guide will help you navigate the initial decisions for your legal education journey, ensuring you choose the best path forward for your aspirations in law. The Bachelor of Laws, or LLB, is the traditional route, typically a 3-year undergraduate degree. It provides a strong foundation in core legal subjects, preparing you for further professional training. Some universities offer a 4-year program, including a placement or study abroad year, enhancing your practical skills and global perspective. This degree is your first step into the legal world. If you hold a non-law degree, a conversion course is your pathway. The Graduate Diploma in Law, or GDL, is a 1-year full-time program that covers essential legal principles. Alternatively, the Solicitor's Qualifying Examination, or SQE, is now the central assessment for solicitors. Various preparation courses are available for both law and non-law graduates to help you succeed. After your degree, the path diverges. To become a solicitor, you must pass SQE 1 and SQE 2, plus complete 2 years of qualifying work experience. For barristers, the route involves completing a bar course and then undertaking a 1-year pupillage. Remember, networking and gaining practical experience are incredibly valuable for launching your successful legal career.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.